You can be an appetizer superstar. Yes, the hero of the party. And it's only going to take 4 simple ingredients. This is so simple, anybody could do this. Get the kids involved. This is gonna be fun, and let's get started. Those 4 simple ingredients is going to be a pound of pork sausage, a half a cup of milk, 3 cups of Bisquick, 4 cups of grated mild cheddar cheese. If you like sharp, go with sharp. Here's what we've got so far. I've got a pound of the pork sausage in the bowl here. I'm gonna be adding the 3 cups of Bisquick. Gonna be adding the 4 cups of the cheddar cheese. And the half cup of milk. Now, I like to use the latex or nitrile gloves. Keeps things very sanitary, keeps my fingers clean. Now we're gonna wanna work this in. Already spilling out here on the counter. Now I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If I'm not mistaken, I think that's roughly 175 degrees Celsius. This is kind of fun. It's like when you're a kid playing with Play-Doh. Just kind of knead it all in. Yep, spilling some more. Squeeze it between those fingers. Bring all that stuff up from the bottom. Make sure it gets incorporated into the sausage. You'll see a lot of dry material at the bottom. Make sure you're bringing that up to incorporate into the meat, because you don't want to have a lot of that dry product still left in the bowl when you're making these into the sausage cheese balls. This is starting to look pretty good. Not a whole lot left at the bottom. Keep working it for another minute or so. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Now, you can grease a pan or use parchment paper the way I have here. Now you can take these, roll them into like little 1-inch balls, but I kind of like the consistency of using something like a melon baller. Now these come in different sizes, and the recipe calls for about 1-inch balls, so I'm going with more like the melon baller size. But if you like a little bit bigger ones, they make these things bigger. I would not go as big as, say, an ice cream scoop. That's just gonna be too big to be an appetizer. Now this recipe is going to make a lot of sausage balls. So you're either going to want to prepare a second tray or be prepared to bake the first batch and then load that tray back up. So I've got almost 2 full trays full here. How many have I got? I just counted about 60. This makes a lot of melon ball size appetizers. Now, what I like to do afterwards here, you've already got them pre-portioned out. I want my balls to be a little bit better shaped, so I am putting them into my hand and just lightly kind of rolling them around. Now, if you happen to have some free child labor around the house, this would be an ideal second step to get kids in the house involved. Okay, I've got them all done. Now, I want you to take note here, there is nothing left in this bowl. And that's because with a little time, you are actually able to work all of those dry ingredients into the meat. You just have to keep scooping from the bottom and folding it in like so. But you can do it. Now, it's time to put them in the oven. We're gonna do it for 20 to 25 minutes. I compromised. I set my timer for 23. So let's see how things turn out. Okay, I've pulled them out of the oven. I left them in maybe a couple of minutes extra, but they are looking terrific. How do they taste? Well, y'all like to see Gunner get samples, so I gotta give him a little bit. Gunner, come here. He is loving it. What do I think of them? Let me try one. This is really good. You can get that flavor of the cheese. That sausage flavor is coming through, but it's not like a greasy kind of texture. Maybe because it's absorbed by the Bisquick, I don't know. But this is really awesome, y'all. It truly is. Now, let me give you another idea. You can also dip these in sauces. Let me take one here. I found this, it's a ketchup, but it's a bacon bourbon ketchup. I picked it up at a little market in Danbury, Tennessee on a road trip. Take a look at this. See if you can pick that up. This stuff is really good. They are not sponsoring the show at all. I get nothing, but it is really good. So let's try that, dipping it in that. Now there's lots of different sauces. You could steal some from Chick-fil-A. It's really good, y'all. So if you have a big event coming up, maybe it's Thanksgiving, Christmas, Super Bowl, 4th of July, or just a big old party, these will be outstanding. Trust me on this, you're gonna love them. If you're liking the video, give me a like down below. Leave me a comment, please. I love your comments. I love ideas for future shows. And I will catch y'all the next time. Bye-bye.